In high-speed stamping, small slugs must leave the die before the next stroke. The scrap suction unit creates negative pressure through the blower, then sends chips into the collection box. Connect the steel wire hose to the inlet, and place the funnel close to the die scrap outlet. Before running, check voltage, airflow direction, hose sealing, and that the collection door is locked. During production, suction removes chips and small slugs before they can float back into the die. For terminal and precision electronic stamping, it helps keep the die area cleaner with less manual clearing. Empty the collection box and clean the filter regularly to keep suction stable. Select the model by scrap size, hose length, number of bends, suction points, and workshop voltage. Use a custom funnel when the scrap outlet is above the die, side-mounted, or fixed on the tool. The result is cleaner scrap removal, better die protection, and smoother press line automation.